This app can flash any MTK small button phone with just one click. So sit down, relax, don't go anywhere. Watch this video so that you can be able to remove any lock, flash any small MTK button phone with just one click. Guys, please don't forget to like, comment and share. For you to get this software, you need to be in my WhatsApp group. I will give you the link to download this software. After that, copy it, go to a particular folder or create a new folder, put it, extract it. It's going to ask you for password. Guys, the password is available in my WhatsApp group. Make sure you join my WhatsApp group so that you can have the password. After you have finished extracting it, you will see two folders. Number one is the drivers, while number two is the main software. So make sure you install the drivers first. Can you see? Install the drivers first. Click yes and install. So if you install and it shows error, that means you need to try to install again. So can you see it's installing now? So let's wait for the installation to complete. So guys, please let's wait. Okay, can you see it shows error right now? So I'm going to leave it like this with error and click finish, just for me to show you what will happen if you leave the drivers not successfully installed and open the main software to flash or format any phone. So you have an error that will pop up telling you that meta error and blah blah blah. So guys, you can see that we have a meta error here. Guys, we can't flash any phone because of error, so we need to fix the error by trying to install the drivers again, and I hope for sure this time we are going to successfully install it. So let's wait guys, let's wait guys. You can see now we have successfully installed our drivers. Guys, the next thing for me to do right now is for me to go back to the software and try again. So right here you can see, let me click the main software. Guys, can you see the flash tool.exe? So right now it's open. So let me try to do formats. Let me try to format small button phone. So I click format, then I click reset to factory default, then let me click OK. Guys, we have error again. So to fix this error, see what I will do now. Click OK. Just click OK. Click it. Okay. Now go to options. Guys, can you see? Then click USB download read back. Guys, can you see? Click that one. Click it. Guys, you are all done. Then go to format. Right there. Click on it. Then click reset to factory and try doing the format. Guys, click OK. Guys, can you see? It's now working, perfectly working, guys. So guys, if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, still let me know in the comment section. So for you to get this application, make sure you're a member of my group. Join my group to get access to this application. I will teach you how to use this application to flash any MTK small button phones and lots more. Guys, make sure you join my group. So see you in my next video coming soon.